Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the DP correction and this is what we get. That's why when the price was here, we mentioned we can expect this one to turn to a bigger correction for one more drop. And that's why I mentioned if we get sell, we can trade it. And this is what we get. Because we mentioned if we get a down move, the price can return, I mean, at least drop to this low. As you can see, the price haven't tagged, but almost near to this low, which is 1 point almost 28. Okay. Now want to see what's the next. Can we expect one more drop or not? Okay. In this case, we move to higher time frame based on daily chart. This is what we can see. We have nothing to talk about here because the ways what we see here is like not really clear. Is very corrective, but we know we're looking for this. Whether this one turn to correction for one more drop or the start of the up move. In this case, we move to forward chart. All right. Based on forward chart, we have, I mean, we see this one. No, we get this. This is what we are looking. We mentioned if we want to look for buy, we need to get a deeper correction. Now want to see how deep this one can go. As long as this one haven't broke this low, that's been haven't broke the price, which is 1.13. Still, we can consider this one a correction relative to this for one move up, at least to break this top. Okay. By the way, now want to see how we can trade it if we move to 1 hour chart. All right. This is based on 1 hour chart. And as we can see, I mentioned right now that we have been look for trade from here. Anyone get the trade? Also, there was a second opportunity. I think right now whether they should move their stop loss to break even or take out the profit. Okay, now want to see whether this one can give us another trade for one move down, because at that time we can look for the running flat. And if we put this one in relative to this, we don't see the divergence. We don't have any indication that the price can reverse, because that's why we've been thinking this one can give us correction for one more drop to break out this. Then we want to see how deep this can go. But as long as the price I mentioned haven't broke this low, any reversal we will take it. Okay. How about if the price reverse from here? The only way we can trade whether from here or if this one become deeper correction, any short term, sorry, any sharp move with the flag, maybe we can consider. We need to see. I mean, for buy, we need to see. But right now, mostly we can expect the price for one move up or deeper. I mean, we will be within this one for longer time for one more drop. Any sell from here with the breakout of this line, which is I put here 1.27 or 1.28, we should know maybe the price can tag and reverse. That's why if this one become a deeper correction similar to what we have here, that's mean at least we get one move up, and sell from there we can consider whether by having entry below this one or get the trade setup within this range. But right now we cannot get the trade setup. The only way having entry, maybe better we put the entry a bit lower where we put this line. Okay, again, having intrigue is really risky. What we want the price tag and continue. As I mentioned, the possibility the price can tag and reverse because we're looking at this. Okay, and the another reason is the price where we're looking for the breakout is the